Welcome into the Ladybird plan with Newmark Homes. You are going to love the views from this home and you're going to love the absolute floor plan. Check it out. I am stoked to show you this floor plan, and there's something in this floor plan I'm going to show you later in the video that you're absolutely going to love. I think it's like just the best thing about this floor plan. I think this is an underrated floor plan as well. So as you walk into this home, you walk right into the office here to the right or left, depending on which way this faces. So you're gonna have an office right off the front door with views out to the street. So if you have work from home, maybe you turn this into a playroom, lots of different options here. So one thing I want to point out though is that this is with Newmark. They do a really good job. We've actually had quite a few clients close with Newmark, and I like that they do have really good attention to detail. Okay. So as you come over here, you'll see there is a formal dining room area over here. An option you could have done is maybe wall this off and make it another bedroom. So something you could do in the future if you wanted to. What are your thoughts so far? You walk right in, you have the office, and you have dining right when you walk in. Again, I'm gonna show you something really cool about this house. Stay tuned. Real quick while I have you, this is a 3,600 square foot home. It's 5 bedrooms, so it's a 2-story home. It has 4 baths. It has 3-car garage as well, which we'll show you here in a minute. So there's a lot to love, and the back of this house by far is the coolest part of this house. I'm giving it away. Again, this is the Ladybird floor plan. Pricing on this, if you went to Newmark and just tried to buy this is in Rough Hollow. If you just tried to buy this and then build, the base price is $779. Okay, so we're not gonna go upstairs yet. I'm gonna bring you downstairs to show you the kitchen. I really like this is a nice wide open floor plan. So the kitchen opens up into the living room. So you get the best of both worlds. Earlier, I was saying the attention to detail. I really loved what they did with this backsplash. What are your thoughts on this backsplash? It looks really great with the countertops, the white, the gray. And I feel like with this, because this is a spec house they did, so they spec'd everything out in this house. I feel like they really did a good job of having everything flow together. What are your thoughts? Nice little spot for your coffee maker right there. Some of the newer homes you're seeing double ovens. Do you think double ovens would be a better option for you here? Now there's a pot filler over there. So a lot of my clients love the pot filler. What are your thoughts on the pot filler? I'm a big fan of it personally. One thing you don't really see on this floor plan is like a nook area. So or like a little breakfast area. So you're gonna have your breakfast area off of your main island there. Pantry is a great size, so it's in between coming in from that dining room and into the kitchen. What are your thoughts about the stove location right there as well? Would you rather have it somewhere else? Just curious. Okay, so this is what's really cool. Right off the kitchen, you actually have a second cook prep area. So if you're gonna be having guests over, which you probably will in this house, I'm gonna show you why you're gonna wanna have guests over in this house. But I like how they brought this over. So you can have a secondary fridge in here. You can have another cook space in here. So if you're entertaining, having parties, you have 2 kitchens. So I told you there's a lot about this house. This is great. Plus you have 2 dishwashers. Look at that. There's another dishwasher over here. So really great option. Also undermount lights. So like I said, attention to detail with Newmark, I really do love. And we've actually had a great experience with some of our clients. Now you're gonna have different experiences with every client and every builder. So all right, so this is right off that area too. So you have, a good spot for your laundry. This will lead into the garage as well. I think they could have done more cabinet space in here, but I feel that they gave you a decent amount. There is a sink, which is great. Are you a sink fan in the laundry room? A lot of people are. I am. I think it definitely helps. I use mine a lot. All right, I think we're gonna step in the garage here in a second, so stay tuned. Do you like when I show you the garages? Is that helpful? You let me know. This channel is a work in progress, so if you have feedback, definitely give me your feedback. Okay, so as we walk into the garage, This is a 3-car garage. You'll notice on the back wall over here that there are 2 water heaters. Now, these are tankless water heaters, which are definitely a good value add. The little black thing back there is for the RO system or the reverse osmosis, whatever you want to call it. But that is a good thing to have, especially in Texas with hard water. It'll definitely help out. So keep your pipes nice and clean. That door does go to the outside, which is great. So you do have a secondary entrance into the garage, so which is nice. Not all the time do you find this. So I like it. I mean, what do you think? Do you think that it is good having a secondary entrance in the garage? I would prefer one in mine, but that would have to open the garage door every time. All right, let's head back inside. So you see those French doors over there, those do go to the outside. There's a balcony out there, which we're gonna show you in a second. What are your thoughts on how big this living room setup is and the fireplace placement? I think it's great because if you're sitting in the living room and you want to utilize the back windows and have the views, because this particular house is definitely set up for having great views. So you're going to be able to have your couch here. The TV focal point will be in that corner, and then you look out and you can kind of see out the window, something I really love. See, that flex space over there is a little unique because that flex space that you just saw, it's weird because like you could put a pub table there or something, but then you have doors going in different places. So I felt this spot right here is just kind of unnecessary because you put like your pub table there. I don't know. It just feels like a weird space. But this is amazing. I love covered yards or patios. I think it's one of the best things you can have in Texas, especially because it's hot, but people utilize the outdoors. If you notice, you can have a full kitchen right there. So all the plumbing's there for it. So you can put in, a sink right there. You have auxiliary for fireplace, fire pit, or barbecue. And then look at the views on this house. Isn't that amazing? And there's a secondary patio upstairs. I kind of already given it away. I'm actually excited to show you the upstairs and the master bedroom in here too. A lot of really, really great features I feel like you got in the Ladybird floor plan here with Newmark. One thing with Rough Hollow is that all the fences are going to be see-through and you're going to have lots of hills. So you are going to look into other people's backyards. It's one of the things I don't necessarily love about Rough Hollow. Okay, so what I'm about to show you is the floor plan map of this. You can tell you have a couple bedrooms downstairs plus the dining room plus that office area, and there's a space behind where the closet is, right behind the stairs right there. I'm a big fan of the curved stairs. Here's the upstairs. You have more bedrooms up here. This is a 5-bedroom, and then from the balcony up there, you actually get views down into the living room, which we'll show you here in a second. So I think this floor plan works really, really well, and it can be very functional for a lot of families or people that want just a big house. So let's show you the rest of the house here. Oh yeah, and leave a comment. All right, let's step back in and let's see some more fun stuff. What are you thinking so far about this floor plan by Newmark, the Ladybird? I'm a big fan of the water. They call it the waterfall staircase like that. Remember, I always show you the master bedroom and closet and bath at the end. So we're gonna head upstairs first. So what you're gonna see is as you walk upstairs, there's bedrooms to the left, there's bedrooms to the right. And then you also have this patio out here. So this is a game room. It's off to the left when you get upstairs. And then you have a media room back there as well, which is nice. There's so much flex space up here. So again, you're going to have 3 bedrooms up here. You have 2 bedrooms downstairs. Plus, this is a very functional 3,600 square foot house. I feel like you just get a lot of space. What do you think about the game room being connected right here to the media room? I feel like it's a great space, but you tell me. It's nice having this because in Texas we don't have basements, and I know a lot of people that move here want basements, so it's nice to have these 2 flex spaces because you can really do a lot with it. I mean, you could turn one into a playroom, you could turn one into a media room, just a lot of options, or you could just turn this into a bedroom if you wanted to. I can't wait to show you the balcony up here, the views though. All right, let me show it to you. You ready? Let's go. I'm a big fan of balconies because I feel like it just adds more space. And if you put some really great chairs out here, especially this is a gloomy day, look at all the cool views you actually get up here. You get a lot of really cool views. So I'm a big fan of this. I've had homes that are 2-story that have had this, and I feel like it's a nice space. Now, you're not going to use it all the time, but when you do use it and you have people entertaining, it's really great. Plus, look at all the window space back on this house. Lots of windows, lots of natural light. I feel like if you're going to move into the hill country, you definitely got to enjoy the views. And this particular floor plan on this lot, lots of great views. Okay, let's go check out the other bedrooms, and then let's go check out the master bedroom, closet, all that fun stuff. So this bedroom up here, right off the main hall there, you do have your own bath here. So definitely great for older kids that need their own bathroom, or, you know, just having extra bathrooms. Now this house is 4 full bathrooms and 5 full baths. So it's nice to have this flex space. Lighting in this did not come out that great, but I think they did some really nice touches with this. All right, let's turn and see the other front bedroom. Now this is a pretty good sized bedroom too. Now this is great because it utilizes some of those front views, but it does not have a bathroom attached to it. There's a hallway bathroom for this bedroom. See it right here. Let's go take a look. I really like what they did with the backsplash on this. I wish the lighting was a little bit better for this shot because it looks a little pink, but I really love this backsplash stone. I like the white gray with the grain, and I like that there's a tub with this. Would you have gone with the tub? There you go, much better lighting. Would you have gone with the tub on this, or would you have gone with a full stand-up shower? And it's got an extra closet in here for it. So this is like an additional like closet space for that bedroom up front. I'm excited about this floor plan. What do you think so far? Is a Ladybird with Newmark a winner yet for you, or no? Have you seen better floor plans? I enjoy these videos. I enjoy making these videos. So definitely drop a comment. If I'm annoying with these voiceovers, let me know as well. I've been having fun, at least. Hopefully you're having fun. See that little space over there? That's a scroll, that little box thing in the corner over there. It's actually a crawl space to go out into the attic. Anytime you have more than 24-inch clearance, you actually have to have that space. So here you go. So this bedroom does have a bath attached to it, which is nice. So you do have this bath. Again, really nice white on white on white, and then this gray backsplash in the tile for this. Again, would you have gone with a full shower here, or would you have done the half tub? I want to hear from you. All right, we're back downstairs. So 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 downstairs. You have the dining downstairs, and then you have the office. So this is in the back corner. This does have its own bathroom with it as well. So like I said, 4 full baths. So this bathroom does share with that little breakfast nook area, patio, like weird area we talked about. So you would walk through that breakfast area, and so this bathroom is actually shared with, you know, your guests. So it'd be nice to have a half bath down somewhere, but I know. All right, here we go. I love the bay windows. What do you think about the bay windows? And look, they carried the tile in through the downstairs. So you have tile pretty much, well, this is wood, sorry. Wood all the way through the downstairs. It's a great wide open room. And I love the color choice, the gray on white on almost gray. But what do you think? Okay, I gotta show you this bathroom is cool. I like the tile choice here. And I love that the tub is huge because I'm a 6-foot man. Yes, 6-foot man. And I love having a good sized tub. Look, you don't use them all the time, but it is nice to have. What are your thoughts on that tile? I like it a lot, personally. I like that the shower is kind of off to the side over here. What do you think about the tub being in between the two vanities? Would you rather have more vanity space on this wall or the tub space? And then you got the water closet over there, and then you have a small linen closet. Overall, I'm a huge fan of Newmark. I really like the Ladybird layout. You can go on their site or reach out to us. We definitely help quite a few people build with Newmark in the past. We've had great experiences and we want to provide you with an amazing experience as well. This floor plan is on their site at $779,000, but that's the base price. In this neighborhood, Rough Hollow, it's actually listed at $1,150,000. Okay, you've seen this floor plan. Now you have two choices. Give me a call or watch the next video. See ya.